Hey guys, taking a look at this selfie stick with light. This is the LJ-8878 and it's got a cool little carbon fiber button for the camera. It's got where you mount your phone, up and down on the axis there for weird tight angles with the additional selfie light. So pretty cool light. Charger light with USB-C and pretty expandable. Phones get bigger and bigger. Seems like it'd be good at least that way, and then you can tilt it the other way. It's pretty cool. Start recording, stop recording, Bluetooth. So these work really well. The problem with a lot of them is they're remote, meaning that you can't really tell if it's recording or not. I'm sure there's a way that you could figure it out with a light or something, but just the ability to start and stop is nice here. And what else you got? Oh, right. So it's one that you can like hold and then bring, like I film, skateboarding, but any action sport or anything you want to film near, you can kind of, it's like a paint brush approach with the camera. And if you don't want to do that, you just want to use a tripod aspect of it. I believe you can, but I do not know how. Okay, yeah, so a little tight in there, but it's hard to figure out the first time, but then get the hang of it. Sure, there's an easy way to do it, but that's the way I figured out this at this moment. And this can go up, right? Right. So it's just like if you have different heights and stuff, and then to tighten that down, do you have the ability to? Let's see one, but it seems really solid. And tighten this if you want. This is a really cool addition to any kind of tripod person, for lack of better words, or anyone that is looking for a tripod with a ability to do a selfie light. You could film this way, film that way, turn on a light, make sure it's charged, different modes. I wonder if it's good. Normally a lot of this stuff comes charged. And then a lot of these lights have, different modes. Cool, warm, cool, warm. And then it's got brightness. That's pretty bright. Pretty cool option if you're looking for a selfie stick with light that's super bright. Go warm to cool. You have built-in shutter that you just hold down and pair with Bluetooth. And yeah,